Highest drive.
Highest drive.
Kahit na hangin yan.
I'm Nicholson Guerrero from Olongapo City, and I'm got lucky today. So yun, swerte lang, good weather. Parang kasing hindi totoo, so parang ganun. Basta ang target ko lang talaga yung middle ng green, then easy swing with the wind. So yun, nagulat ako pag bagsak niya sa green. Yun, nagtalunan na yung mga caddy. Tapos ako hindi ko na kasi makita yung bola. So yun, swerte talaga.
Gotta work for it, every day work for it. I stand alone, can't get much higher. It's in my bones.
Nako, masarap itong dalawang to. Itong buko, napakalamig, even though the weather is still pinag-cool. Pero ang laro namin, okay lang. Maraming birdie, walang palang birdie, puro par lang pala.
Somebody turned off all the lights. They try to steal like a parasite, but they can't take away the fight. 'Cause I've been wise as I've been a kid. Live my life hanging off the grid. No, I ain't never ever gonna quit. Gotta work for it every day, work for it.
Maraming salamat kay Tatay Bong sa kanyang yearly tournament at sana matuloy for 100 more years.
First time, but I'll definitely come now.
Yes, because
Enjoying. Kahit na hindi perfect, maganda yung environment.
yes.
Perfect.